Imagine you are deserted on an island like this. How would you convert salty seawater into fresh, clean drinking water? Let's find out. Now to do this, you'll need a few things, including this container. Where will you get this on a deserted island? Not quite sure. Put some sand in it. Next step, add some seawater. That should be easily available. Okay. Now take a clean glass like this and place it in the middle of the sand. And then take a sheet of plastic paper like this one and wrap it all around the container. And then use some tape to secure the plastic sheet. Finally, keep a very tiny stone at the top so the water can evaporate and go right into the container. And now you wait for a few hours. There's a lot to do on this deserted island. After a few hours, take out the glass and enjoy a delicious drink of fresh water. Alright, so how is this working? Well, I made a funny looking drawing of our experiment. This is too small, by the way. Let me zoom in. Much better. Okay, so here I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure out why our experiment is working. Here's what's going on. As the sun's rays fall onto this container, the water in the container begins to evaporate as water vapor. As it rises, it hits the inside of the plastic sheet, cools down and condenses back into water. And because of how this plastic sheet is angled, it collects back into this glass. Now, notice that when the water evaporates, it leaves behind all impurities, and therefore the water that is collected in this glass or container is good to drink. And that is how you convert salty seawater into clean drinking water.